Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you about your work with this college entrance essay. So you can work individually, in a pair, in a triumvirate, but no group can be larger than 4. And you will need to be prepared to discuss your findings with the entire class over the Zoom tomorrow when we meet. So what I'd like for you to do is to read this essay. It's not very long. But I'd like for you to read the essay, and then as you complete the reading, I'd like you to think about and have some notes prepared to talk about 2, 3, and 4 here. As you read through the essay, I want you to identify 3 places in the essay with either a single piece of text or a small snippet of text. And by small snippet, I mean no more than like 5 words. So I'd like you to identify the voice and the personality, right? Where in this essay do you see the author really being able to communicate their personality, really being able to sort of let their own individual unique voice shine? This is where kids have a lot of difficulty. I think they have a lot of difficulty because we force them to write a lot of very formal essays. And so they feel this kind of compulsion when they write to write in this very formal voice. And the entrance essay and the narrative essays really should allow your unique personality to come through. And so I want you to be finding areas in this essay where you see that happening so that you can try to emulate that in the future. I'd like you to be able to justify why you selected those pieces of text. What about the words or the phrase that you selected indicates personality and voice? How does the author use this word or this image or this particular piece of text to establish who they are as a person? How are you able to understand their personality through what you've selected? Then I'd like you to identify the one single best sentence in the essay. You get 1 sentence, that's it, not 2 sentences, 1 sentence. And I want to know why that 1 sentence is the best. Why did you select that over any other sentence in the essay? What about that sentence makes it just sing off the page? What makes it shine? What is it about that that syntax, that diction? What's going on in that sentence that made it stand out for you? And then I'd like you to identify 2 weaknesses in the essay. I'd like you to be able to articulate what those weaknesses are and how you would suggest fixing those weaknesses, right? You don't get to say it's a perfect essay, there aren't any weaknesses, or you don't get to say, well, I identified this as a weakness, but I'm not really sure how I would fix it, right? Then you pick the wrong thing, because you must be able to offer some kind of commentary on, this is a problem that I see happening in this essay, and here's how I think you could fix it moving forward. So when you come to class on Tuesday, I'm going to ask that people share what they have come up with in terms of this essay. So please make sure that you're taking notes. Please make sure that you are prepared to have something to say about this particular essay when we meet in class on Tuesday. I really look forward to hearing what you have to say.